Welcome to Victimas. Here for you. I'm back from the search, discovering what are the best engineering field around the planet in today's world. Good news. Now, very interesting in today's generation and in the future to come. As they say, the ending time. Here for you, engineering deals with the practical experience, specifically as a central point, practical, meeting the real life challenges. That's all about the engineering. Very interesting. What are the best engineering? I'm going to mention 4 because there are many. Out of the many I discovered based on our research, 4 as the key that meet in today and the future of the ending time. Number 1, material science and engineering. This is very interesting. It deals with developing material anywhere on the planet. You bring them to be useful in our society, anywhere, any environment on the planet. Today, it is very worth because you have to make a science. You discover the science, how things do exist and how will they exist and how will they be useful to a society anywhere on the planet. Very interesting. This engineering of material science, it may not be easy to learn it in most of the developing countries. If you go in the developed countries, these courses are there because of the material and infrastructure. That's very interesting. Material science and engineering. Very interesting. Number 2, biological medical engineering. This one deals about with processing material in the lab and experiment measurements. You bring them in useful for production use in a society based on measures of health-wise useful to the human, to the being anywhere on the planet, in step by step up to the any time. Very interesting. Medication, lab science, engineering is very wide. Processing material can be in chemical. The material used in the laboratory to measure the human health, to sustain a living in all aspects. Very interesting. You can be doctor, nurses, whatever. But this is also very important in our society. Does not neglect the status of male or female. You can go. Number 3, electrical and electronic engineering. This one also is everywhere. It's very important. We deal about material which will use power generation. Power generation. We have renewable energy from power from the solar, from the sea, from the wind. Hydraulic power is very interesting. It's very wide. Anywhere, any device, it has gone beyond the plant being border. This is the thing we should adventure at the earlier stage. Don't neglect that you have to meet at the universe and then start investing in this thing. You can be in position from your home where I come from, the village where you are. This engineer, we have all materials in our hand. We can do. Believe me, you want to be great. The higher the better. With engineering, you want to be great. Because the challenges we have today is as we neglected this thing at the earlier stage. Let's divert it. Diversify. We go back from where we made a mistake. Engineer, be more practical, based on experience anywhere on the planet. better at the area stage. The number 4, the software engineering. This is also very important, dealing with developing applications which are used in today's life. It can be a system which control others. It can be applications which are used in daily life. They're very important. They integrate all of these. For example, software engineer, they develop applications collaborating with electrical, electronics, because those ones, they involve what we call mechanical engineering component, the body building. Then these electrical, electronics, power supply inside those systems. Electronics deal with the board, PCB, printed circuit boards, developing, because this is material science we develop based on our environment. So those are 4. Based on what you discover, if you learn them at the earlier stage, you won't regret it. Example like software engineering, it has what we call artificial intelligence, replacing the human being with object to does the work as the human. The sensor, the drones, aerospace, rockets, developing drones, aeroplanes, many things. Just imagine, the sensor, we develop it using material science. Then, where you chip it, you put in the PC board, circuit boards, you build it, the housing, the mechanical object, physical, you put it, combine the knowledge, you bring it useful to the society. This is the thing I'm talking about. This is where we are. Remember, be engineering based on real life practical experience. Anywhere on the planet, you won't regret. Stay tuned to Vitamol. Become the champion. Bye bye.